good morning. It is Monday morning around about 10 to 9. Just been for a run, which is why I'm tired. Was up early this morning. It was a struggle to do the morning market analysis. Quite frustrating. Euro strength has took me out of my Euro Swiss franc short. Euro US dollar trade is under pressure. So not the best start to the week, but that's the name of the game. So not a lot to watch today. I'm going to dive into the charts, do a quick update in a moment, but there we go, there's the phone. Not a lot going on. First up, Euro. Already got took 50% of the position off, hit the targets, now traded back up to the 50. Simple moving average. Looks to be getting some offer pressure there, potentially for another push down. This could be an opportunity for me to add to the position if this candle closes on that SZ candle, but just wait and see. The Loonie, US dollar CAD, took myself out of this position, already had elected emergency exit 1, have done that on emergency exit 2 and 3. The 10 and the 30 exponential moving averages crossed back and closed below the 50 simple moving average, which is a clear signal on this strategy, full house long, to get out. Kiwi, this is a full house trade. Now technically I should be out of this trade now. The exponential moving averages have crossed back over the 50. Having said that, this looks now to be making a range formation, and that pink line is the daily 50 simple moving average, which kind of corresponds to the top of this range potentially. So what I've elected to do is to stay in this trade, because effectively I would be buying my position back at the top of what could be a range when we could see a push down into the bottom. So I'm just going to hold this for the moment and see where we get to. Euro Swiss franc, disappointing trade. This was a profitable trade from here. Traded all the way down, hit the target. Yes, I added to the position down here. Price reversed, stopped me out. So this was a winning trade, ended up being a losing trade. But I'm out of this position now. This was a IG in focus, so IG sentiment, very biased, contrarian trade towards the short side, but appears on this occasion I was wrong. Finally, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. This is similar play to the New Zealand dollar trade. Looks like we could be forming a range. Technically I should be out of this trade, but getting some resistance here. I'm going to hold this for the moment and see if we can't push down to the bottom of the range and maybe beyond. Homeschooling again today. Go on, Maxie.
Breath. You're not taking Henry, are you? Darling, she said. Oh, honestly.
So homeschooling done for the day, and in terms of the trading activity, quite confusing really, as usual. Euro US dollar now stopped out, hit my target, so made 1% of position, stopped out on a reversal, rolled the trading stop, and out of that, not quite sure what's going on with the euro. It has been one of the worst performing currencies, certainly over the last few weeks, but some dollar weakness today. Some euro strength has led me to be stopped out, but never mind. In terms of the other trades, they are under a little bit of pressure, so let's have a quick look at those now. Kiwi, still in this. I think we're moving more into a range type format here. Still under the daily 50 simple moving average, looking to get some resistance there. Can't really make up its mind, but I'm holding for the moment and see where we end up. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, kind of similar story. Just holding again and see if the market can make up its mind. So I've been thinking about something this morning, and the thing I've been thinking about is that life likes to teach us the same lesson over and over again until we actually get it and we take it on board. So I've been thinking about this in relation to my trading activity. What mistakes am I consistently making? What is the market trying to teach me? What is life trying to teach me? Because until I learn that lesson, then I'm not going to move on. from it. But anyway, just a little thought. Quite excited today. My new book, Suck It Up or Go Home, which is about my time on the riot police course in Tokyo, Japan. First proof copy should be arriving today from Amazon Europe. That's what it said. I'm just waiting for the van to pull up outside. This is 166,000 words I've written over the last couple of months. There's still some editing to be done. It's been proofread at the moment, but an initial version will be arriving today to unbox and for me to have a look at. So we're pretty excited at getting that and seeing what it looks like in the flesh. Okay, the books have just arrived from Amazon. First proof copies of Suck It Up or Go Home. So let's have a quick look, see what it's all about. Very exciting. Here we go. There we go. Wow. Thicker than I thought. Proof copy. Wow. There we go. There we go. Available 1st of July on Amazon worldwide. Well, it is Friday afternoon, around about 2:15. Just been on a business Zoom meeting. Obviously, everything at the moment is communicated over digital devices. Going slightly stir crazy, I guess, climbing the walls a little bit, and yeah, any excuse to interact and have some conversation with somebody. Anyway, just in terms of the markets, last couple of days not recorded any content. Basically, well, today's Friday, Friday. Wasn't feeling great on Thursday. Wasn't coronavirus, thank goodness. But yeah, just stepped away from the markets today. I have been stopped out of my New Zealand dollar, US dollar short, and my euro Japanese yen short. Whipsaw action, so price is shot through my stop loss and is now turning the direction of my trade. Happens, nothing you can do about it. For every loser, you're going to get a winner, probably. You've got to make more on the wins than you do on the losses. So what I can be happy about, if anything, is the fact that I didn't lose too much money on any of these trades. I mitigated my losses, kept my losses to a minimum, didn't move my stop losses, so maintained my discipline. Market just didn't go my way today. So it is the end of the month, or it was the end of the month yesterday. It's the start of a new month today. That means I'm going to be busy this weekend. Got to plot the new SIG 1 levels. I didn't do that last month. I just never got around to doing it, so I need to do that. I need to update my weekly trade management stuff. You know, start a new month on the trade record, so it's always a busy time at the start of a new month, end of a previous month. As I think I threw up earlier in the week, my book now, which is pretty thick. I am proofreading that. This comes out on the 1st of July. This is kind of a story of resilience. It's a story of discipline. I think a lot of what I bring to my own trading style is the fact that I went through this course in Japan, 11-month course, which required discipline, resilience, the ability to turn up every day, whether the day was good, bad or ugly, and just to keep going. I think I bring a lot of that into my trading style. Everyone has their own trading style. You try and follow somebody else's system, just doesn't work. And my trading style, I think, is in part built on my background in martial arts. So if you want to get hold of a copy of this, might not be your thing, martial arts, but if you like stories of standing up, courage and keeping going against the odds, then it might just be up your street. Suck It Up or Go Home will be available on Amazon worldwide from the 1st of July, just in the final kind of proofing and 95% finished, last few tweaks to get it out there. Anyway, let me just throw up these trades. Let me show you what's going on. And then I might pop out for a little walk to get some air, because I've been sat in this room, as nice as it is, my little man cave. I've been sat in this room pretty much all day, and it probably is time to go outside. New Zealand dollar, ouch. So this is, yeah, this really is a range play now. It looks like I'd put on there staying as looking like a range. Turns out it was a range, but it stopped me out. So it's now tracking back down towards what was my entry, but I'm out of the game. I'm out of that particular trade. Euro Japanese yen, yeah, similar story. This was a range break. Yes, not a lot to say. stopped out again. It happens. You've got to move on. Lick your wounds and move on. Then finally, CAD Japanese yen. It's my SIG1 trade on the weekly charts. Just been level pegging for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks sideways. So some pressure down this week. This really is all linked to the price of oil. There is room and scope to increase or to go up rather. We look to be at the bottom of this weekly downtrend, so a reversal there potentially. But once I've moved my SIG1 levels, I'm going to need to review this trade and may need to get out. It is a carry trade, so the longer I hold it, it's not going to cost me that much money. So I can afford to hold it for a longer period of time. But if it's not working, then I need to get out. Okay, so let's go and have that little walk then. Bit of freedom, bit of fresh air, but it is pretty cold today. Well, good morning. It is Saturday morning and the sun is out. It's a nice day. Quiet, of course. Coronavirus still gripping the world. So brought the eldest out to do some cycling. Pretty exciting morning, to be honest. Nothing to do with the markets. Markets, of course, are closed. But the book that I have written, which is published on the 1st of July, it's available for pre-order on Amazon currently. Woke up this morning and it's #1 in the Kindle charts under the category of martial arts in the UK, so on amazon.co.uk. Never had a book at #1, never had a book on the bestseller list. I've had top 10 but not #1, so feeling pretty motivated and pretty excited about that this morning. So yeah, it's a good day. Got to bring the boys out separately to stop them fighting, but yeah, just trying to stay positive, trying to stay motivated, and trying to keep the kids, here he comes, the kids entertained. Come on then. Come on then. Oh, you missed. You missed. Really? Yeah. Oh my word, that's awesome. Well done. Careful. Great. Maxie, you're cheating. Where are you? Come on. So today we are occupying ourselves. Maxie doesn't want to be on camera, but we're occupying ourselves making what, Maxie?
We're making
puzzles. So here it is. This is the completed article. Maxie and Daddy's job. Go, Maxie. Wow, it's too fast. Do it again. Well, good morning. It is Tuesday morning and I'm up at the house build. Can't really see that just yet. I'll do some video in a second. Beautiful day. Didn't do any recording yesterday, and the reason being is I've actually decided to take a week off trading. This will be the first week that I've took off. I don't need... what am I trying to say? I don't need to trade every week, and I think I need a break, to be honest. It's been 43, 44 weeks, something like that. I think I need a break. I'm also focusing quite a lot this week on the book. So yes, going to take a break. Not even going to look at the charts this week. Just step away from the market and come back refreshed. I guess it's nearly a year that I've been in the markets every day without a break, even when I was on holiday. So I think now, given the fact that the markets are quiet, given the fact that it's been very turbulent, I think it's a chance this week to step out, see what news we get on Sunday with respect to the coronavirus and lockdown and whatnot, and then start again next week. So that was really the update. Focus on a few other things this week and get those done. Starting to feel pressure with a lot of stuff that I've got on, including writing this book. So that can have a negative impact on my trading. So I just think, all in all, it's best to step away.
All right. Anything you need? Yeah. Stars, I'm a fool for your love.